If you can answer this question, then you are a genius. Now let's look at it. The mass spectrum of an atom shows two peaks. So two peaks with mass of 80 and mass of 100. If the isotopic ratio of the isotope is 6.5 respectively, determine the average atomic mass. So for you to get the average atomic mass, that means you are going to add this and this together using their ratio. Now that takes you back to your mathematics, of course. You have ratio of 6 and 5. So first add your ratio, that is 6 plus 5, giving us 11. So this is the ratio that they use, 11. They said respectively. So that means 80 owns the 6, while 100 owns the 5, right? So you can now say 80 times 6 divided by 11, your ratio, plus 5 times 100 divided by 11. By the time you added this together, you're going to have 89.09, which is approximately 89.1. So 89.1 gram per mole, meaning that 89.1 gram per mole is the atomic mass of that atom, which is option C.